5 months, 6 months, I was prosecuted with malicious. It's called malicious prosecution. Daly City Police Department arrested me on April 28th. Once, May 14 once, and then July 15 again. No, there was no warrant, no probable cause, no crime. It's just simply all fabricated. And prosecuted with the title is called domestic violence. Domestic violence when you prosecute, but the charges are like one count for child endangerment, one count for assault to peace officer, and 4 counts of obstruction to police officer. And the title said domestic violence. And all the prosecution goes on the whole 5 months. I was taken to court, held me in the jail with a $320,000 bail. And not a single one raised the issue like mental health doubt or suspicion, nothing. So I posted bail with, the $320,000 bail. So I posted bail and got out of jail. And that guy, the court order assigned that he said he's the public defender or whatever. And I went to talk to them. I said, you know what, I'm going to file further motion. I don't want your service. That's it. They were upset because when I got out, they were really upset. They said, now you're out, what can we do? I said, yeah, you don't have to do anything. I'm done. So they asked me, what are you going to do? It's none of your business. So I filed further motion, and I requested, I demanded, I said, let the jury trial, I will go to jury trial, and I will go trial. Let the jurors decide. It is jury trial is my right. Once jury trial is set, declare mental health suspicions and incompetent to stand trial and suspended the case. And I was offered plea bargain that I have to stay in jail for 1 year for no apparent reason. There was nothing. No apparent reason for 1 year. That is in San Mateo County. 5 months, they just made my life hell. And suddenly, when they were offering plea bargain, there was no mental health doubt. But when I said I will let the jury decide if I commit any crime. You get so many charges, it doesn't matter, even though if it's death sentence, I will take it. No, they won't let me do it. They won't let me go to jury trial because there is nothing to charge. It is malicious prosecution go on. And when I speak at the court, at the judge, I said, okay, this person do not represent me. He's not my lawyer. And that statement, they said, I am obstructionist. I interrupt the court. How do I interrupt the court while I was sitting quietly at the back? And thus, the judge's name is Lisa A. Novak. And the whole county, the district attorney office, they got a lot of record, got involved. And those commissioners were formerly, we call them the prosecutors. They have the attitude of prosecutors. And they all gang up, made up all kind of document, and the court record also altered. On June 4th, there was no pre-trial conference. I printed that, luckily that day, 7:55 a.m., I printed that court record, and it said vacated. And a month later, it shows that pre-trial conference held. I was present at the court, and then amended complaint filed. So how come we have like this corrupt judges, corrupt judicial officers in this place, and they trying to abuse everybody, telling me that I'm trying to prosecute people, put in jail, all kind of fabricated document, and whatever complaint you file, everything shoved under the rug. There is no one to prosecute, no one to investigate. And they say I am violent. Yes, I am violent. They say I am disrespectful. Yes, I have no respect on you guys because you guys are the criminal. The Daly City Police Department, San Mateo County District Attorney, and the Child Protective Service, whatever. And that Sheriff Department, the sheriff, and the court, the judges, the commissioners, they are all cowards. And this place, there is no one to investigate. There is no one to look at it. File the complaint everywhere. No one cares because it's the gang operation going on. So I just want my justice. I want everything to give me the jury trial. Let's deal with it. Whoever guilty. No, they won't do it. So people, stay away from this state, California, especially San Mateo County. Get out of that place. Do not deal with these people. The whole court, it is a criminal operation going on at the San Mateo County.